Welcome, welcome, welcome. I wanted to show you guys something. So I'm building some stairs right here. I'm tearing off these old boards and I'm putting down some new boards. And I wanted to share a little trick with you guys. This pencil, whenever you're laying down deck boards, there needs to be a gap between the boards. The reason is so that rain, as it's kind of sprinkling right now actually, so that rain can have somewhere to go, and so that underneath the decking there will be air for it to breathe and it'll allow it to dry out. There's actually not any gap right here, and there's a lot of water coming down from the bush right here above me, and it's my opinion that water doesn't have anywhere to flow. So a good way to measure the space between is to use your pencil. The standard between the boards is either an eighth or a quarter. My pencil is a quarter, and I think a penny nail is an eighth. So whenever you do your nailing, you want to put the nail probably about 3/4 of the way into the board. You want to not put it right on the edge because a lot of times they'll crack. And the last thing that I want to share with you is that which side of the board you put up, this side or this side. So if you look, you know how trees are round, right? If you look on the end of the board, you can see how there's rings. Now those rings curve this way. And so what that tells me is I want the ring side up. And the reason for it is because it keeps this little bevel and it allows water to flow off of it. Otherwise it'll create sort of a cup and it'll hold water. And you don't want that.